This demonstration is attaching a Windows 2016 server to an ME4 SAS array. Before we begin, it is important to understand the layout. The ME4 has 4 SAS ports on each controller. There are 3 servers connected to the array, each with a single SAS HBA connected to one port on each controller. The first step is to install and configure MPIO. This will take 2 reboots. First is installing MPIO. Open Server Manager, then click Add Roles and Features. Click Next, Next, Next until you get to Features. Scroll down to Multipath I/O, select it, click Next, click Install, click Close, and reboot. After the server reboots, open MPIO. Click on Discover Multipaths, select Add Support for SAS Devices, click Add, and Yes. The server will reboot again. Next, use PowerShell to identify and document these SAS worldwide names. These worldwide names will be needed to map the volumes to the server. It is especially important if you are configuring multiple hosts at the same time. Type get initiator port and press enter to list the worldwide names. Next is running the host setup wizard. Log into the ME Storage Manager. On the home page, click on Action, then Host Setup. Confirm you have met all the requirements and click Next. Type a name for the host name. Select the correct initiators that we have just identified with PowerShell for this host. It is optional but recommended to update the nickname to something meaningful. Click Next to continue. If this host is going to be part of a cluster, you can either create a new host group or add to existing one. This will be a standalone server, so I'm selecting Do Not Group This Host. Click Next to continue. By default, 2 100 gig volumes will be created, one in each pool. I recommend renaming the volume to include the server's name. You can edit the size, change pool ownership, add and remove the number of volumes to create. When you have the volumes how you want them, click Next. Notice the name didn't change. You actually have to click outside of the box for the changes to take effect. Click Previous and click in another box, then click Next. You can see the volume name change this time. Click Configure Host to continue. Click Yes or No depending if you have another host ready to configure. Open Disk Manager and rescan disk. Right-click on the new disk and bring it online. Right-click on it again and choose Initialize Disk. Right-click on the unallocated space and follow the wizard to format the volume. This concludes the demo. The volume is now accessible to the server with multipath configured.